Hi guys, welcome back to another cleaning video. So in today's cleaning video we're going to be restocking, organizing and cleaning out my refrigerator. It's been a while now and it needed a good deep cleaning, so we're going to be cleaning the refrigerator. This is the before and this is how stocked it is and dirty. So I'm going to be throwing away some things that have gone bad and organizing, cleaning and also stocking it back up, because I did go grocery shopping before I started and I showed you earlier on in the beginning. So I'm going to start cleaning it out. So also in today's video my daughter is going to be helping me clean the fridge. She's learning how to clean the fridge out. Since they like to eat and open this fridge like 1,000,001 times, they will just come and open the fridge. You'll be asking them, what are you looking for in the fridge? What did you keep in the fridge? But they just like opening the fridge all the time. So she's helping me clean the fridge today and learning how to do it. So she's going to be doing that part and I'll also be helping her. So if this is something you like to watch, please don't forget to like, and if you enjoy what you see, subscribe and join the family. We would love to have you here. Give this video, put on your notification button so you won't miss the next upload, and comment down below, let me know what you think and let me get to know you. So enjoy this video as the music plays. I'll be talking from time to time. Now that everything is out, this is how dirty the fridge looks and it really needed to be cleaned and sorted out. I have a lot of things inside there that I have to bring out and also behind there. So I'm going to be starting the cleaning. She's going to be starting the cleaning. I'm just removing all the fridge components and we're going to wash them down in the sink and dry them so that we can put them back before we finish, by the time we finish with the fridge cleaning. So I'm just bringing out all the things that stay underneath here, and look at how bad that place is. Yeah, so anyway, we're doing what we gotta do. So she's helping me clean the parts that I just washed off so that we can start cleaning the fridge. So I'm just using the Dawn dish power soap to clean it today. I didn't want to use anything harsh since she's helping me clean, so that's what I just used and it did a great job. I think I'll actually be using that mostly. Sometimes I would use a little bit of bleach and water like once every often, just to get those germs and all that, but this also does a good job. So the next time I'll be cleaning by myself, I will use the bleach and soapy water to do it. Yeah, comment down below, do you use the bleach and soap or do you just use the Dawn spray or anything, just any detergent or soap to any soap, I said detergent, to clean. So what I do is just I rinse out the rag and with warm water in the sink, then give it to her to use to wipe it down. So that's what we used today. So she did a very good job and we're just talking. I'm just telling her how it is that it's not easy to clean the fridge, but you guys like to eat from it and spill all the sauces. So yeah, she enjoyed it and she did a great job cleaning it out. So this is when she's done cleaning and we've put back all the components and the like fridge organization containers, stuff I'm going to use to put back food stuff. So I'm just going to put back all the food stuff because they've been out for a while and I really need them to be back in the fridge before I can continue to the door, the door area of the fridge. This fridge is kind of small, but it really serves, and you know, we try to make it work. Everything got in. The only things that are not going to be put in here is the bread, because I do put my breads in the fridge as against in the shelves or out, so it makes it last longer for us. Now it's over to the door area of the fridge, so I'm going to move everything and I'm going to be cleaning this place out by myself. So the other day my stew poured and you know, poured all over the fridge, so it got really messy by the side and underneath. So that's what I'm going to be cleaning out now. Those areas you can see a lot of stew. Don't forget to clean the handles of your door. That's where the germs start off and end up in the fridge. So the handles, the outside, don't forget to clean those areas as well. Give them a good wipe. And by the side, I do have a stain at the side of the fridge, and this couldn't remove it, so I'm going to try something else stronger later on, but I didn't show you in this video. So yeah, so this is me done cleaning this area and putting everything back, and everything is nice and clean. I'm so happy this was done today, because I've been saying I'll do it and do it, but you know how it is. So this is done and that's so relief. So here we're just going to be restocking the things that have finished in the pantry. and just sort them out. But the pantry is still like needs a little bit of tidying up and cleaning from the last time I did it, but it has really served us a whole lot. Everybody loves how it came out. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it up so you can go check it out. And yeah, so these are just a few things I bought, and I'm putting them away so I can be able to call it a day. So just keep watching. This is almost to the end of the video. If you've made it this far, please don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family. We really love to have you here. Let me leave this video a comment. Let me know what you think, how it turned out, and how my daughter did. And yeah, join the family. We would love to have you here. To my old subscribers, thank you so much for always watching and supporting. I really appreciate. Continue watching to the end, and thank you for watching.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, now they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Way. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me.